is Storm Team 8.
All right, so just before midnight last night, our temperatures were beginning to climb into the low to mid 40s. So like 42, 44. Look what happened overnight. Our temperatures have climbed to 48 in Kalamazoo. It's already almost near our 50-degree forecast high. So I wouldn't be surprised if spots like Kalamazoo and Battle Creek actually topped 50 today. Other locations, Grand Rapids, for example, right at the airport, still sitting at about 44. So we have seen that warming trend, but it's going to take just a little bit slower for spots north or around I-96 to hit that 50-degree day. In fact, it's probably going to take all afternoon. But like we've been talking about, Monday we have another 50-degree high. So it's going to be a nice solid stretch of warmth here that we feel. And if we look at our 24-hour temperature change, you can see that places like Kalamazoo, Coldwater, Sturgis, Battle Creek are seeing at least 10 degrees warmer conditions this morning than we saw yesterday at the same time. So you can see that big push of warmth. And again, all of it's going to be coming from the southwestern corner of our state, even though the winds are technically out of the west. Now, our winds have been a little nice to us in the last few hours. They backed down some. You'll see that they're still fast around Holland, staying steady at about 15 miles per hour, but most of them are at about 10 miles per hour. So with our temperatures in the 40s and our winds right around 10 miles per hour, our wind chills are actually feeling like 40, which is still warm for this time of year. So that's why people like Mark say they step outside and it actually feels warm today. I mean, you're still going to need a jacket. You're probably going to want one that blocks from a little bit of that rain and mist. Although, interesting, you can't see any of that rain or mist showing up on our Storm Track Live radar. All we can see is cloud cover. Let me go ahead and switch views and just show you the radar view. So instead of clouds, we see a completely clean sweep here for the most part. The reason why is all this moisture is so shallow. It's basically just sitting at the surface. So that's why we have fog and mist, but not a lot of actually accumulating rainfall. Here's a look at one of our sky cams. You can see improved visibility, but still kind of damp roads. And we also have that fog that's going to be forming and dissipating throughout the day. Plan on 50, very mild today. All of that air is coming up from the west, just like we said yesterday. So if you joined us yesterday on Daybreak, I talked about high pressure dragging up all of this warm air. Well, today we're seeing it even more in action. And then the storm system that's coming for us on Monday is just starting to form. We can just start to see that swirl off to the west. That's not going to get here until we get to about Monday afternoon. So foggy conditions for the most part until Monday early, and then halfway through the day we'll see the fog break. Monday night into Tuesday, rain showers move in, and the heaviest rain will be overnight Monday into Tuesday. And even the heaviest rain is not going to accumulate or amount to much. In fact, we're only planning on about 1/4 of an inch. By the time we get to Tuesday, we start talking snow flurries, and then we have a chance for some light snow Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, but not a lot of accumulation there.
Yeah, we've just been under a cloud, though. It seems like you were talking about that inversion or whatever it was called yesterday.
Good, yeah, inversion, holding that cloud on the ground. It's not really going to officially break until we get to Monday, so.
Yeah, no sunshine.
No sunshine.
All right, well, here's